Good morning, chubby walkers. I'm back. So, I was walking through this tree. I felt something hit my head. It's a little bird. You guys don't believe me because he didn't do it right now. Look, let's walk again. I'm scared to walk as a bird. So, boy. Come on, fucking bird. You're making me look like a dick. Oh, see? Oh, shit. Bird attacked me. That's life, chubby walkers. You're walking peacefully, minding your own business. Bam! Life sends you an unexpected bill, car problems, a fucking bird. No matter what, all you gotta do, all we can do is